China just did something that should not be possible yet. An electric hypercar that literally jumps all four wheels off the ground. A massive 7,700-pound SUV that drives straight into a lake, shuts off its engine, and floats like a boat. A family sedan running on a battery that delivers 621 miles of range for a fraction of Tesla's price. And a six-wheeled carrier truck that splits open to launch a fully functional flying aircraft at the touch of a button. This is not a movie. This is not a concept. All of this is already happening right now. While the rest of the world is still drawing the future of transportation on paper, China is mass producing it. American manufacturing groups are already calling this an extinction-level event for Western car makers. Today, we are walking through the top 10 next-gen Chinese vehicles that feel like they were pulled straight from the year 2050. If you love bleeding-edge tech and serious horsepower, smash that subscribe button and let's roll. Number 10. Zeekr X. Let's start with a compact SUV that is currently forcing Western automakers to rewrite their entire playbook. Built by Geely, the same automotive giant that owns Volvo, the Zeekr X is engineered to absolute perfection. Underneath its razor-sharp skin, it packs a 66 kilowatt-hour battery connected to a dual-motor setup, pushing an incredible 422 horsepower. For a compact vehicle that is pure violence, launching this machine from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.7 seconds. Inside, it strips away the cheap plastics you expect from budget cars and introduces a pure Scandinavian minimalist cabin, featuring a massive, electronically sliding touchscreen. It delivers a massive 440 miles of range on a single charge. While a premium European EV with these exact specs will happily drain your entire retirement fund, China is selling the Zeekr X for a price point that undercuts a standard Tesla Model Y. It is premium luxury weaponized for the masses. Number 9. Avatar 12. If Apple and BMW secretly built a vehicle inside a Blade Runner movie, it would look exactly like the Avatar 12. Born from a massive multi-billion-dollar triad alliance between tech titan Huawei, Changan Automobile, and global battery king CATL. This grand touring cruiser looks like nothing else on the asphalt. Look at the back, there is zero rear window. Instead, it uses a solid wall of aerodynamic steel and high-definition cameras to feed live video to the cockpit. It pumps out 578 horsepower and extracts 435 miles of range from its advanced CATL battery pack. Inside, the car acts more like a high-tech rolling luxury lounge, utilizing emotion-sensing AI and facial recognition to automatically adjust your ambient lighting, cabin temperature, and music based on your current mood. At a price tag of just $50,000 in China, it offers a jaw-dropping $120,000 driving experience that leaves Western luxury brands sweating bullets. Number 8. Hongqi EHS9. When Chinese elites want to flex their massive wealth, they don't buy a Mercedes. They roll up in the Hongqi EHS9. Hongqi literally translates to red flag, and they are the historic automotive brand reserved exclusively for billionaires and top political officials. This full-size electric fortress packs a giant 120 kilowatt-hour battery that throws down 543 horsepower, blasting this massive block of steel from 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds. If you think it looks exactly like a $350,000 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, that is no accident. Hongqi literally hired Giles Taylor, the former head of design at Rolls-Royce, to inject that exact same dominant, aristocratic DNA into this vehicle. Inside, the cabin is smothered in quilted leather and features 6 giant interconnected digital screens stretching across the entire dashboard. It glides over the road on intelligent air suspension, giving you a royal driving experience for a starting price of just $70,000. Number 7. IM Motors L6 Lightyear Edition. For over a decade, Western automotive giants have been dropping press releases, promising that solid-state batteries are just a few years away. Meanwhile, a company called IM Motors just bypassed the talking phase and put one straight into a mass production car. The IM L6 Lightyear Edition is an absolute marvel of mechanical engineering. Its electric motor spins at an astronomical 21,000 revolutions per minute. That is faster than a high-performance Formula One racing engine. This family sedan unleashes 787 horsepower and snaps from 0 to 60 in a terrifying 2.74 seconds. Thanks to its revolutionary semi-solid-state battery, it achieves a mind-blowing 621 miles of range on a single charge. Even crazier, it plugs into a 400-kilowatt ultra-fast charger to add 250 miles of range in exactly 12 minutes. And with its proprietary vehicle motion control system, all 4 wheels turn simultaneously, allowing the sedan to crab walk perfectly sideways into tight parallel parking spaces. The price for this future? Just $48,000. Number 6. NIO ET9. While luxury car brands love bragging about their smooth ride quality, NIO went completely off the deep end to prove theirs. To demonstrate their world-first Skyride fully active hydraulic suspension, engineers stacked a multi-tiered tower of filled champagne glasses directly on the hood of the NIO ET9 and drove it over brutal, repeating speed bumps at high speed. The result? Not a single drop of alcohol was spilled. This flagship luxury titan pumps out 697 horsepower and processes road conditions in a lightning-fast 1 millisecond, adjusting all 4 wheels completely independently. If a tire suffers a catastrophic blowout at 62 miles per hour, the Skyride system instantly detects the drop, stiffens the affected corner, and rebalances the entire chassis to keep the car perfectly straight before the driver can even panic. Inside, you get a first-class executive cabin with seats that recline to a dramatic 135 degrees, an aerospace-grade business table, and an in-house AI chip that is more powerful than 4 NVIDIA Orin processors combined. It's a $108,000 engineering masterpiece. Number 5. Dongfeng M-Hero 917. If you thought the GMC Hummer EV was the ultimate alpha male of the electric truck world, China just built something that makes it look like a glorified golf cart. Meet the Dongfeng M-Hero 917. Born from a military vehicle platform originally designed for the Chinese armed forces, this rugged, angular beast looks like a stealth fighter jet engineered for the apocalypse. Underneath that terrifying, armor-inspired bodywork lies a brutal quad-motor powertrain, pushing out a jaw-dropping 1,088 horsepower and a mind-numbing 1,032 pound-feet of pure torque, despite weighing a massive 7,300 pounds. This mechanical titan rockets from 0 to 60 in a sports car-shaming 4.2 seconds. But the real engineering magic is its off-road capability. It features 3 electronic differential locks, an intelligent air suspension that raises the chassis by nearly 6 inches, and a specialized crab walk mode that allows the entire truck to move diagonally to conquer impossible rock formations. For a price tag of around $90,000, it's a bulletproof, go-anywhere military weapon redesigned for the street. Number 4. Hi-Fi Z. If you want to drive something that looks like it was stolen directly from a sci-fi movie set, you look at the Hi-Fi Z. This digital grand touring coupe completely shatters traditional car design. The first thing that catches your eye is the patented NT no-touch door system. There are no handles. Instead, as you approach, the rear coach doors swing backward while the upper roof sections lift up like a gull wing, creating a massive pillarless opening that allows you to walk straight into the cabin, standing completely upright. It unleashes 663 horsepower and snaps a 0 to 60 sprint in 3.8 seconds. But the real mind-melting technology is the interior infotainment system. The massive 15-inch ultra-bright OLED screen is mounted on a high-speed robotic arm that automatically rotates, tilts, and tracks your voice, physically moving to face your exact seating position when you speak to the car. It is a wildly futuristic, head-turning machine priced under $60,000. Number 3. Hongqi N701. This is a vehicle that money literally cannot buy, no matter how many commas you have in your bank account. The Hongqi N701 is the highly classified official state limousine built exclusively for Chinese President Xi Jinping. This is China's direct, unapologetic answer to the US President, the Beast. Only 50 of these rolling fortresses are scheduled for production over the next 10 years, and their technical specifications are guarded like nuclear launch code. What we do know is that it is a massive, heavy-duty armored titan wrapped in classified composite materials built to withstand direct hits from rocket-propelled grenades and anti-tank landmines. The entire passenger cabin is completely airtight with its own independent oxygen filtration system to survive severe chemical and biological attacks, all while running on heavily encrypted, unhackable military satellite communication networks. It is an impenetrable, rolling symbol of absolute state power. Number 2. XPeng Aero-H Land Aircraft Carrier. XPeng is no longer just an automaker. They are actively rewriting the rules of human mobility across land and air. Their most insane creation is the XPeng Aero-HT, officially dubbed the Land Aircraft Carrier. At first glance, this $280,000 machine looks like a massive, futuristic six-wheeled electric van with full all-wheel drive engineered for rugged roads. But hit a single button on the dashboard, and the rear cargo bay splits open like a spaceship. A fully functional, two-seat electric flying aircraft automatically unfolds its carbon fiber rotors, rolls out, and takes off vertically into the sky. No runway, no airport, no pilot licenses required for basic flight. XPeng is not treating this like a wild prototype. They are currently finalizing a massive mass production factory in Guangzhou designed to crank out thousands of these units annually, and they have already locked in over 5,000 pre-orders. The era of the flying car isn't coming in 2050. It is rolling off the assembly line right now. Number 1. BYD Yangwang U8 and U9. Taking the undisputed number 1 spot on our list is the absolute pinnacle of next-gen engineering. The double-barreled threat from BYD's ultra-luxury division, the Yangwang U8 SUV and the U9 hypercar. The 1,287 horsepower U9 hypercar utilizes a specialized D-Sus X suspension system that packs over 1 ton of hydraulic lifting force per wheel, allowing the entire vehicle to jump completely off the ground from a dead stop or drive flawlessly at 75 miles per hour on just 3 wheels. It recently obliterated the automotive world by clocking a certified top speed of 308 miles per hour, shattering records held by multi-million-dollar Bugattis. Meanwhile, its brother, the monstrous 7,700-pound U8 SUV, unleashes 1,197 horsepower and uses 4 independent electric motors to perform perfect 360-degree tank turns on solid concrete without moving an inch. But its most terrifying feature: if you get caught in a flash flood or accidentally drive into a deep lake, the SUV automatically seals its engine, locks the windows, raises its suspension to maximum height, opens the sunroof as an emergency escape hatch, and literally floats on water for 30 minutes, spinning its tires like boat propellers to cruise at 2 miles per hour. This is not evolution. It is a complete mechanical takeover, and it leaves the rest of the global automotive industry completely in the dust. When you see the absolute speed of innovation coming out of these factories, It becomes glaringly obvious why Washington and the European Union are panicking, slamming down tariffs up to 100% just to keep these vehicles off Western streets. We are living through a monumental, historic shift in global engineering. China isn't trying to copy old-school automotive giants like Ford, Toyota, or Chevy anymore. They are completely rewriting the physical boundaries of what a vehicle can do. From 621-mile solid-state batteries to heavy luxury SUVs that can literally swim through a flood, these machines are a massive, undeniable wake-up call. But hey, I want to hear from the true car guys out there. Would you ever trade in your American V8 or your Tesla for a 300 horsepower jumping hypercar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because the comment section is about to get wild. If you appreciated this high-octane deep dive, do me a quick favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss another breakthrough here on Vision Base. Thanks for hanging out, stay sharp, and I'll catch you on the next one.